Got the machete out. Redcat Machete. Just want to bash it real quick up at this big old part. Get into it. Thing is a monster. It's not that fast though, but one of my subscribers was telling me about this part. This part ain't bad. Got little jumps. Not bad. Might be my new bad spot. Only thing is it leads to them bushes. I got that battery, and batteries in there pretty secure, so it's not losing, not coming loose. I just need proper jumps, you know what I mean? This jump ain't bad, but it leads to these bushes, so can't do with so much power. Machete is not bad. Yeah, I need better jumps than that. But this better than what I had, honestly. Way better than I had. Yeah, this ain't bad. It's a pretty big part. Got other little things in here. Whoa. Bad part about bashing right after it rained like this, it's so muddy. So cruddy and muddy. Huh. Yeah, this I'm gonna give a review on the Machete today too. You know what I mean? I'm gonna take it home after I finish bash and give a nice little review. I was thinking about upgrading this, but I'm not gonna upgrade it. I wanted to really stay the way it is. To stay the way it is. Because it do need a little more speed and stuff, but I think I'm happy the way it is. Because that's just adding more speed, more problems. It handles nice, the speed is nice. What else? No, the speed ain't nice, my bad. Speed is okay, you know what I mean? It's not that bad. It's not good, it's not that good, but it's not that bad. Also, get a few more jumps out of it, then I'm gonna just call it a day. Yeah. Yeah, this thing is nice and steady though, stable. The handling is off the charts. The servo ain't bad. Servo is not bad at all. Now let me get over here to this car before this thing die on me. And I had to carry it back. I'll give you my final thoughts right now while I'm walking over to the car. The Machete gets an all around, I have to say a 9.5. Because it's not, now from what I'm seeing after the first break I had, the first break I had, it was the first day I got it. It's a bad jump, and it snapped on me. But I noticed after that, no problems. No problems at all. Like I only changed one arm. And you see the bad flips and jumps I had. And that's the only break I had on the car. So it's not bad at all. Yeah, durability definitely, I'll give it an 8. Definitely give it like a little 8 in durability. The power system so far gets a 10. It don't hesitate, don't cog. It doesn't overheat like that. The servo is pretty good. I got real good control over it, so I lost one of my body coats. That's why she's lopsided. I mean, it's a few improvements you can make to it. A few improvements. Really not going to cost you a lot. The ESC you see came popped off. ESC, that's just I don't know. I could fix that with some stronger double-sided tape. Only other thing I don't like where the receiver is. It's underneath here. It's underneath there. I don't like that, but that's still minor. As for the quality of the car, got good quality. Got these strong center braces, good tires, good suspension. So, I mean, it's good. It's a good quality car. Servo pretty good. Only thing, you limit it to batteries, which is not a big deal. Yeah, it's good quality. It's come with sway bars. I mean, it come with the whole 9. Like, I don't. I don't know. This is a good quality. It reminds me of the Italian. It really reminds me of the Italian, and it rides like the Italian, except for not as much speed. But you upgrade the system, and you'll get that kind of speed out of it. I think only upgrade you need to make it a little faster is the ESC. It's 150 amp, so I mean it's pretty good. It's pretty good. I didn't up the punch or nothing on that. Maybe up the kV to the motor. Maybe that'll help you out a little bit, because this is a 2100 kV motor, 150 amp ESC. Don't know, can't see the servo, but whatever the servo is, it's good quality. I like the servo. Well, enough rapping. And this bumper is the truth, man. This thing takes some hard impacts. It can handle it. It can handle it. The wheelie bar can handle some strong impacts if you ever get to use it. But as always, hit that like button, hit that notification bell, stay tuned for more videos, and I'm out. Servo is not bad at all.